Welcome everyone. Question on the ideal gas. A gas obeying the van der Waals equation with A is equal to 2.44 atmosphere liter square mole to the power minus 2 and B is equal to 0.029 liter mole to the power minus 1. So, the boil temperature of the gas is, choices are A 927.62 degree centigrade, B 751.82 degree centigrade, C 547.44 degree centigrade, D 492.36 degree centigrade. Answer is B 751.82 degree centigrade. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given A is equal to 2.44 atmosphere liter square mole to the power minus 2 and B is equal to 0.029 liter mole to the power minus 1. We know that gas constant R is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere K to the power minus 1 mole to the power minus 1. Again, we know that boil temperature TB is equal to A by RB. Now we put the values of A, R and B in this equation. Therefore, boil temperature TB is equal to 2.44. It is the value of A by 0.0821. It is the value of R into 0.029. It is the value of B, or boil temperature TB is equal to 1024.82 K, or boil temperature TB is equal to 1024.82 minus 273 is equal to 751.82 degree centigrade. Thank you for watching this video.